Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Litecoin broke out this ascending triangle on a daily time frame chart. For several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this ascending triangle. And at the same time, the price line was also moving inside this up channel as well and broke out both patterns together, almost together. And after that, we had a very nice rally and it was also retesting this up trend line support again and again. Like we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, bounce. And this was another bounce. And after that, the price line has broken down this uptrend line that was, by the way, found here on 5th of November 2024. And after breaking it down, immediately it has broken down two very significant support levels. One was here at $114.63. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $114.63 has been previously working as a resistance here and almost as a resistance here as well. Before that, it was also working as a support here and almost as a support here as well. And now, after this breakdown, you can see on the 7-day time frame chart, we are breaking it down, and on the daily time frame chart, the price line has completely broken down this support. And now, again, it can be flipped into a strong resistance. You can see that recently it was also working as a resistance here, and support here as well. And if we take a look at the previous resistance of this channel, this is the channel, by the way. If I extend this resistance, then you can see that now we are about to hit the previous resistance of the channel that can now again work as a support for the price line of Litecoin. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have also broken out this wedge. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members almost 2 years ago. And this is a very big and huge harmonic bullish reversal setup that Litecoin has completed on a monthly time frame chart, and this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 5th of November in the previous month of November 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guard pattern that Litecoin completed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this is the complete trade signal, buying on and the sell targets on and stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line of Litecoin started a very nice reversal from this buying on and rallied beyond the sell targets on. This was almost 116% very massive rally. Now let's move to the long-term trade signal that I shared on 29th of May 2024, 2022 with my members. And that was another Gartley pattern. This Gartley that I was showing you a few moments ago was formed on the daily time frame chart, and this Gartley pattern is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And you can see when I shared this signal at that time, it was moving at $62.80. And now if I play this chart, and then you can see that the price line has geared up from this buying zone, and so far it has pumped almost up to 147%. And the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley starts from $224 and goes to $348. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Litecoin. And this is the weekly. First of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this ascending triangle and also broke out the channel as well. And after the breakout from this channel, the price line rallied very well. And at the same time, the price line, not at the same time, before that, the price line had already broken out this quite long down channel as well. And I was telling you that target will be here for this breakout from the channel approximately at $100. And over there, we had a quite long-term resistance as well. And right now, you can see that the price, and after a big rally beyond that target, got rejected by this long-term resistance of $135. And now we have broken down these two significant support levels. Now, the previous resistance of the channel can again work as support somewhere here, approximately at $83. And by the way, we have also broken out this uptrend line support as well that was found here on 5th of November 2024. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this channel, from this wedge, will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.